I'm here with Brian Barr. This is a pleasure, Brian, to see you here again in Denver. Thank you.
It's been a blast. Thank you.
You've got a $250,000 CAT speakers, $40,000 a pair, $5,000 a pair, and you got $1 million race car here. What's this all about?
This has been a blast, by the way. Yeah. You see, a lot of people understand car racing, and this $1 million race car actually won the Michigan 500, which has been very exciting. And people understand that in car racing, you actually bring a team out to the track, you bring all of your engineers, you bring your mechanical engineers, and they actually adjust the car to the track. They do it all week, and they finally do it right actually during the race. In fact, they plan for a whole year, and they design everything, and then they finally actually adapt it during the race. They adjust the wing, they adjust every part of the aerodynamics. Well, in loudspeakers, it's very similar. If you really want to adjust your system to your room correctly, to accommodate for your room dimensions and accommodate for your sofa, and you want to accommodate for all the other variables that can happen, the absorption, the diffusion, the reflection, first it takes a lot of planning, just like in auto racing. So our engineers actually start back at the design phase. We work with the architects, we work with the designers, we work with the contractors, we work with the clients, we work with the audio-video installation specialist, and we figure out everything from the shape of the room, the size of the room, where they're going to sit, what's their materials going to be made out of, how dense is the wall going to be, where are the loudspeakers going to be placed. Like in auto racing, you got a horsepower ratio, you got a torque ratio, you got your weight ratio. This car right here weighs less than 1,500 pounds. This speaker weighs over 2,000 pounds. But we have to work with all the same type of 2,000 pounds. So we have to work with the same type of variables. And ultimately, we have 3 traveling engineering teams. We fly all around the world. We've been to over 20 countries. And we calibrate and tune that system in the client's room, just like the audio race teams and the champ car race teams tune this car to the track.
So you're going to bring that to Europe for us?
Actually, they have a couple.
You're going to do a little bit at Le Mans, 24 hours or something?
This client of mine is a very good friend. His name's Jerry Forsyth, and he owns a couple champ car teams and 4 Atlantic teams. And at one point, he owned part of a Formula One racing team.
Wow.
The champ car circuit actually comes to a few different stops in Europe. I know they're in Belgium, for sure. And I think they're in one other location. But when it happens, we could try to make that happen.
The champions are French guys, so that's cool.
Yeah, that's true.
That's true. Brian, it's been a pleasure. Kat, we'll see you more and more often now in Europe, I guess.
I'm very much looking forward to it.
Thanks
you
very much.
Have a good morning. Cheers.